This is Gia Tech Scene. I'm excited today to unbox the Purifi amps, Buckeye Purifi amps. This amp can throw 230 watt per channel on 8 ohms. It can do 450 at 4 ohms and up to 510 watts into 2 ohms speakers. This is a 3-channel version of the 2nd gen EIGENTAKT Purifi amps. Let's get started. Alright. Good padding, power cord, the quick start guide, giving us more information about auto sensing, 12-volt trigger, always on, and the different gain settings available. Let's take this out of the way. I'm very excited with this amp. Total harmonic distortion is 1% at 1 kilohertz. This is very high quality amp, class D, so very high efficiency, less heat, and more sound. There we go. Let's roll it out. You can notice that I am holding that 3-channel amplifier with a single hand. Class D means high efficiency but also lightweight. An amp that would have that kind of power in a class AB or any other classes would weigh a lot more. So we can see nice case, black, simple, with all the inputs on the back. Only the Buckeye logo on the front and the light, and on the back we've got the power cable connector, the on-off switch. We have 12-volt on our auto selector, 12-volt trigger with a trigger connector, and we have each of our 3-channel amplification with XLR inputs, gain selector for each of them, and the speaker banana plugs.